Actor, comedian, singer and songwriter Slashe wins Jamaica Festival Song 2023. The live grand finale event was aired on Saturday night from the National Arena in Kingston. Now Slashe, who returned to the festival scene after nearly 2 decades with his entry Best in the World, took the top spot and the prize pot of $3 million from 10 other contestants.
2023 Donald Slashe Anderson, Mr. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations!
Second place went to known reggae singer Sugar with Dancing Same Way, which he co-produced with the reggae icon Dwayne Stevenson. And third place was secured by ex Levi with Feel Like Home. Veteran reggae producer Donovan Germain of Penthouse Records was at the helm of the production for the top 3 winners in this year's competition.
Living legend Donovan Germain, the CEO of Penthouse Records, him say, Slashe, just try the competition because you might have something good to offer. And I say, all right, Germain, I write 2 songs, I demo the 2 songs, and I say, I'll take this one. And here we are, months later.
He forced me to be a part of the competition because, you know, Germain is just like that. I may have to just big him up because we have a goal and he sees things from different perspectives. And I guess he saw this as a way, you know, to launch out all of the music that we have to come.
Bless up Donovan Germain. Boy, I'm going to tell you, Germain. But you know, I want to bless up Slashe. You know what I mean? Because I used to watch Slashe on the TV, you know what I mean? And guess what? When I came to Jamaica and I listened to the rest of the song, I said to Donovan Germain, I love Slashe song.
Hey, Jamaica, well, if you never know, well, now you know. The best in the world is Jamaica. From the creator.
Festival activities continue on Tuesday with the opening of the Independence Village at the Independence Park and the finale of the Festival Queen competition at the National Arena. Congrats, Slashe. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedrin. Thank you for watching.